Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Kenzie if you're new here. We have a super exciting video today. I don't really know what I'm gonna call this exactly because there's a lot of different bits and pieces that are going into this video, but it's gonna be kind of like a fall decorate with me, getting my house ready for fall. And I also have a few home updates that, one, I need your opinion on, and two, I just need to update you guys on. So I'm gonna be talking about the whole rug saga that I mentioned in my living room makeover. I know that you guys have been patiently waiting for my decision on this rug and if I'm going to keep it or change it out for a new one. I just thought it clashed a little bit with the fireplace, so I wasn't sure. So I asked you guys and you really helped me out with making my decision, so I appreciate you. We're also going to be talking about the kitchen today. If you've been following along for a while, you'll know that the kitchen makeover is in one of our renovation plans, and I'm so excited to say that that will be our next makeover coming up here really soon. I just need to order the backsplash and I need to get the paint and then we'll be good to go. So I was going to film a fall decorate with me today, but I know that we are about to make over our kitchen like within the next week or so, and I just don't want to decorate and then have to take everything down again so we can renovate it. So I think I'm just gonna hold off. I'm gonna do like a little kitchen makeover slash fall decorate with me, like all in the same video or videos. I'm not sure how long that it's actually gonna take. I'm also gonna make a little fall arrangement. I grew sunflowers from the seed up in my backyard and they are ready to be harvested so we can enjoy them in here for the fall time. I will be decorating the dining room. I'll be making some changes here in the living room for the fall time, and I'm just so excited to get into it. We have so much to talk about today. Let's get into the video.
Okay, so the last time you guys saw this room, first of all, this is just how it normally looks. I didn't clean anything. People always ask me for recommendations on my couches. No, I don't recommend because of this reason. I don't recommend. They fall, they slide, they fall, they pill. I'm not even gonna send you a link because I don't recommend them. But the last time you guys saw this room, it was clean. I asked you guys if you liked this rug with our new faux brick fireplace, and I would say most of you guys pretty much said no, like it clashes. Christy? I know, we're gonna open it in just a minute. Yes, we'll open it in just a minute, okay? We'll open it in a minute. I love the rug, don't get me wrong, I love the rug, but I just think it doesn't fit in this room. I think that it just kind of clashes with the fireplace, and you're right, there's not enough contrast with this whole area. Like this is white, this is white, this is white, this is white. We need something to be contrasted. So yes, that is the first thing that we're gonna do today is change out this rug. I am just very eager to change it out. So let's just clean up really quick and just make everything look good, and then we will start changing it out. here it is. What do you think of the new rug? Honestly, I think it looks so much better. I think that it really makes the fireplace stand out and it doesn't clash at all. And I love the pattern. It's very subtle from far away, but up close you can tell that it won't get stained easily and you won't be able to notice the stains. I love it, honestly. I really think it just grounds the space. It makes the fireplace stand out. I really like the fireplace a lot better now. And I like the color of it. It's a darker beige almost, and it definitely doesn't match the couches. I think it stands out perfectly, and I just think it looks great in here. Let me know what you guys think. Did we make the right choice or not? Also, let me show you this blanket. I just recently got it from Amazon, and I would have shared it in a haul if I would have got it before I posted the haul, but I love it. It's a twin size. It's huge. It was only $40. It's kind of like a muted tannish, almost like a mauve-y color in some lights, but it's super pretty, very neutral, and I just think it's perfect for fall. So cozy and just a staple blanket that you can also use year-round. I wanted to share it with you guys. I will link it down below. Okay, time to talk kitchen. Here's what the kitchen is looking like. Nothing new has changed in here, but what we are changing is we're gonna put backsplash in, and I wanna paint the cabinets to something that's not as stark white. I still want them to be light, but more of like a creamy white rather than just like this bright white. I think that would just kind of tone it down a little bit and not make the kitchen feel as cold, if you know what I mean. So here are my options for backsplash. Let me know which one you guys like. We have been looking at different ones, and I really like the zealage look, and we went and looked at like the faux zealage, and I wasn't loving it. I think it looked a little too plain for me, and I want that kind of like rustic handcrafted charm. So I think I might just splurge and buy real zealage. So let me know what color you guys like. Should I go pure white, or should I do this Casablanca one, which is like a little bit more creamy? I like the Casablanca one better. I just don't know with the new paint on the cabinets, like a creamy paint. I don't know if that would just kind of blend in too well with each other, if you know what I mean. So here's some paint options. Let me know which paint you like, and let me know which backsplash you like. We're gonna take the microwave out and maybe extend the cabinets all the way up if we have time to do that. We will see what we can get done. The first priority is getting the backsplash done. This is our little garden. This is what we planted at the beginning of May. We have a whole bunch of different color zinnias, these sunflowers, and then these moon sunflowers. They're a little bit bigger. This is what we're going to be picking today to go in our house. So not much has changed on these shelves since the living room makeover. I did add this amber glass candle from Target that I got last year. They still have it this year though. And I added my little mushroom friends. I think that they just make the whole shelves, to be honest. I like how it has fall touches, but it doesn't look like fall just threw up on it. You know what I'm saying? It's very subtle touches of fall, which is exactly the look that I'm going for this year. I also made this little arrangement in my living room makeover, and I just put these cosmos. So I got these like mauve color and then this tannish color. And then I don't even know what this is. This is right next to those. And also some roses. This is like the white with the kind of pinkish tone in the middle. And I also got these. They look like snapdragons to me. They're also just a neutral flower. But I just love the pop of color this gives. I really think it makes the whole living room, and it really makes it feel like fall with the mauve tones. I didn't want to go too rusty orange this year because I got really sick of that last year. So I decided to just mellow it down a little bit. These kind of like darkish, soft pinks and tans and creams. I found all of these at Hobby Lobby, and they were all in the neutral floral section.
If you are still watching, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please let me know what backsplash I should choose, what color paint I should use for my cabinets, and also, do you like the new rug? I honestly like it so much better than the other one. I think it's a lot more neutral, and it just kind of makes the fireplace stand out and shine a little bit, which is definitely the look that I was trying to achieve. So I took your guys' advice. I went with a more neutral, kind of a darker color, and I love the way it looks. I think it just blends in so well. Please let me know all of your opinions. I really want to get everything ordered and squared away today so I can have the kitchen video up next week for you guys. I'm just so excited and eager to get into it. We haven't had backsplash in our kitchen ever, and I really think it's gonna make a huge difference, and we're gonna do it ourselves. We're gonna attempt to do it ourselves, and I just can't wait to do it with you guys. So let me know all of your opinions, please. That would really help me out. And if you're new here, I'd love to have you stick around and subscribe, and I will see you in a few days in a new video. Bye.